What is up, everybody? This is Braden from MotorBiscuit. Today we are at Cars and Coffee here in Boise, Idaho. Now, Cars and Coffee here has a little bit of a checkered past, whether it be kids in BMWs trying to drift and nearly hitting a Jeep. Oh! Or a Porsche Boxster actually crashing into a crowd and sending a bunch of people to the hospital.
Yeah, that's one I got. I put on I was just talking to him yesterday.
There is a bit of a stigma with Cars and Coffee of people showing up being the most pretentious car owners that they can be in their finest polished white New Balance shoes. But hey, at least you get to get up early just like you would any other day except for on a day off. And today it's only supposed to be 105. Why are we here? All jokes aside, Cars and Coffee is a great opportunity for you to check out your local car scene and see a bunch of cars that you may not know are local to you. After all, Boise is a relatively small place, but we actually have some pretty cool cars that show up to events like these. So we're just going to take you around and show you what's going on, and maybe we can convince you to go to your local Cars and Coffee. I've been experiencing exactly the reason you should come to a Cars and Coffee. I've seen a bunch of people I haven't seen in a really long time, and just generally talking to people about their cars. And the world's full of animosity right now. It's really easy to forget that we all enjoy cars in one form or another. So it's really cool to just talk to people like people and not on the internet. Well, it's only 11:30, but it's already like 98 degrees out here, so this Cars and Coffee is kind of coming to an end. But we hope you enjoyed our little visit here, and we hope it inspires you to go check out your local car scene, because you never know what might be there. Just remember, never be that person. There was people doing burnouts in the parking lot too. That's how you don't get Cars and Coffee anymore. Believe us, if nothing else, Boise, Idaho is a great example, because we didn't have them for a while after a dumb Porsche driver almost killed a bunch of people. At any rate, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another MotorBiscuit video. This is Braden. Don't forget to check out the website, MotorBiscuit.com. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. MotorBiscuit, the links are always in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.